Good afternoon, Athena families. Here's a quick tutorial on how you can sign in to Google Classroom. First, you want to go on whatever device you're using, open up your browser, and if it's a computer or a Chromebook and you can use Chrome as your browser, looks like this down here, Google Chrome, that will be the best browser to use for Classroom, but you can access Google Classroom on any device. If it is a mobile device, you can even download the Google Classroom app, whether it's Android or iPhone, and you can access Google Classroom through the app. However you access it through the app or whether going to Chrome, you'll want to open up Google Classroom or go to classroom.google.com. Once there, it'll ask you to sign in, and your child will want to sign in using their school information, so their school email address and their password. And they should know this from logging on multiple times at school. They use this information for a lot of different logins at school, but if you have a question on that login information, you can always contact their teacher. So after you have logged in, it will take you to your Classroom homepage. On this Classroom homepage, you should see a list of their classes. So then you can go ahead and log in. I'll use Miss Hertz's 4th grade class. You can go ahead and tap into their class and see all of the assignments, and you're ready to go. Now you may also have to join your teacher's class. If your teacher has given your student a code to join, you would want to enter that code when Google Class pulls up. If they already have a Google Class from another teacher, you can simply click the plus button at the top right and choose Join Class. Then they can enter the code given to you by the teacher, and it's usually a 6 or 7 digit code, and it's 6 or 7 letters that they would enter here. Once they enter, it will open up into the class. So whether they are already enrolled in the class or they need to enter that code, you can do all of that after you log in.